Are you suffering from respiratory issues and looking for a natural way to improve your breathing? Airphysio is a device that claims to provide relief from respiratory problems and improve lung health without any medication or surgery. In this video, we will review the Airphysio device and its effectiveness in improving respiratory health. What is Airphysio? Airphysio is a handheld device that is designed to help people with respiratory conditions such as asthma, COPD, and cystic fibrosis to clear their airways and breathe more easily. The device uses oscillating positive expiratory pressure (OPEP) therapy, which involves exhaling through resistance to create pressure in the lungs and airways. This pressure helps to loosen and expel mucus and other secretions, making it easier to breathe. Airphysio can be used at home, at work, or while traveling, and is suitable for people of all ages. It is a non-invasive and drug-free treatment option that can be used alongside other therapies recommended by a healthcare professional. How does Airphysio work? Airphysio is a device designed to help people with respiratory issues such as asthma, COPD, and cystic fibrosis to clear their airways and breathe more easily. The device works by creating oscillating positive pressure within the lungs, which helps to loosen and dislodge mucus and other blockages from the airways. This pressure is created through the use of a handheld device that the user inhales, which creates a vibration that travels deep into the lungs. The device also includes a unique airway clearance technique called osmotic pressure, which involves using a saline solution to hydrate and break up mucus in the airways. This solution is inhaled through the device along with the oscillating pressure, helping to further loosen and clear mucus from the airways. Airphysio is a non-invasive and drug-free solution for respiratory issues and is designed to be used by people of all ages. It is important to note, however, that it is not a substitute for medical treatment, and anyone with respiratory issues should always consult with a doctor or healthcare professional. Features and benefits of Airphysio. Drug-free. Airphysio is a drug-free device that provides natural relief for respiratory conditions. It is a great alternative for individuals who may not be able to tolerate or do not want to take medication. Easy to use. Airphysio is easy to use and does not require any batteries or electricity. Simply take a deep breath and exhale into the device, which will vibrate the airways and loosen mucus. Improves breathing. Airphysio helps to improve breathing by loosening mucus and improving lung capacity. It also helps to reduce coughing and wheezing. Portable. Airphysio is a small, portable device that can be easily carried around in a pocket or purse. It is ideal for individuals who are on the go and need quick relief from respiratory symptoms. Safe. Airphysio is a safety device that can be used by individuals of all ages. It is non-invasive and does not require any surgery or medication. Cost-effective. Airphysio is a cost-effective alternative to medication and other respiratory devices. It is a one-time purchase that can provide long-term relief for respiratory conditions. How to use Airphysio. Airphysio is a handheld device designed to help improve breathing by clearing mucus from the airways. Here are the steps to use Airphysio. 1. Hold the device in your hand with the mouthpiece facing towards you. 2. Take a deep breath and exhale into the mouthpiece of the device. 3. As you exhale, you will feel resistance from the device, which helps to vibrate the airways and loosen any mucus. 4. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 breaths, or until you feel that your airways are clear. 5. Clean the device thoroughly after each use. Airphysio review. Pros and cons. Airphysio is a handheld device that claims to help people breathe easier by using oscillating positive expiratory pressure (OPEP) therapy to clear mucus and other obstructions from the airways. Here are some pros and cons of Airphysio. Pros. Non-invasive. Airphysio is a non-invasive way to help clear mucus and other obstructions from the airways, which can be a great option for people who prefer not to use drugs or undergo invasive procedures. Portable. The device is small and portable, so it can be easily taken with you on the go. Easy to use. Airphysio is simple and easy to use, and does not require any special skills or training. Can help manage respiratory conditions. Airphysio can be helpful for people with respiratory conditions such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and cystic fibrosis. Cons: limited scientific evidence. While there are some studies that suggest OPEP therapy may be effective for clearing mucus from the airways, there is limited scientific evidence to support the use of Airphysio specifically. Airphysio price and where to buy. Airphysio is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We have provided this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee.